Let's look at a few clips of brake checkers getting caught on dashcam. This first driver is an insurance scammer. Typical Altima driver, just a complete jerk. They literally come within inches of getting their car hit. Scammers are definitely the scum of the earth. That Altima wouldn't have been worth much anyways. This next brake checker gets instant karma when they get their whole back end smashed. So they had been road raging and then they brake check on the highway and get their car smashed. Breaks their whole back window. But at least they can enjoy the breeze coming in now. Both the court and the insurance found them at fault, so hopefully they got a nice reckless driving charge. And last but certainly not least, that jerk in the Camry decides to brake check a semi-truck. Instead of getting behind the truck like they should have, they wanted to cut off the truck and got mad that they couldn't. So look what they do now. They brake check in their little Camry, which is no match for a big semi. They get the back of their car hit, leaving some damage, and are also found at fault. I have no idea who in their right mind would brake check a semi-truck. Really just stupidity. Let me know in the comments below which driver you think was the worst and why.